Hey guys, I got a VHS unboxing. It's Disney's Ducktales, Suffering Sailors, and we're gonna open it up. Well, first a quick look. It's got a nice little price sticker, and it is factory sealed. So that is good, and now we'll unbox it. Oh, fuck. Ow, god damn it. There we go. Sorry about that. Okay. Since I already just cut through the security tape here, I'm just going to take the tape out. Oh, we had a nice little insert. Nice little home video ad. Classics. Winnie the Pooh, New Adventures. Walt Disney Cartoon Classics. And sing-along songs. And last one, Ducktales. Okay, so here's the tape. It's got a sticker label. And should have a print date. No print date. Weird. Well, anyway. Oh, wait. One more thing. Business reply card. Yeah, remember those? Little mini reply cards. I remember those. And yeah, and I showed you this. Show you the. Anyway, I'll show you the front. Okay, the side. Other side. Top. And the back. Yeah. That's basically it, and like I said, there was no print date and sticker label. Anyway, that's my quick unboxing of Disney's DuckTales Suffering Sailors. Thank you for watching. Peace out, fans.